Hi, this is Radiris from QP.
And Thinnest from Booredatwork.com.
And we just got the Samsung Galaxy 8.9. And I was just telling him that I would show him mine if he showed me his.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, hers is a little thinner. Actually, very thin, super thin.
And yours is?
It's got a big screen, 8.9 inches.
Actually, what he said before was mine is not thin.
Yes, something like that. So we are going to somehow open this up.
Somehow, do you need help?
No, I don't need help. Find out how to open
I
this.
think he...
No, I'm good. I seriously am good.
You're good. Okay.
Under needs help.
Let me open it since he can. I think this is typical of guys and girls.
That
in
is.
technology. They usually don't know.
You're watching, right?
Unbox.
This-
How to... Oh, wait, I missed one. Oh, I almost did a guy move where I missed the spot.
Oh, she's opening my box.
I don't know what you're opening.
Pause.
This is actually your box.
I didn't know guys had boxes.
Well, he does.
8.9, look at that.
Look at it. It actually is thin.
But it's got a big screen, 8.9 inches. Nice and large. Take this off.
Do you like it? Tab?
No, he doesn't like my tab. She,
Because it's bigger.
Alright.
And then you gave us the eyebrow.
Okay, this unboxing is going so many places, but what else do we have here?
Like kind of like.
The travel charger, the extra, what is it called again?
It's a clip, man.
The clip-on, whatever, you know how it is, to plug it in.
Another thing to plug it in.
Micro USB port with that's a dedicated that has a proprietary connection, maybe?
Yes.
Thank you. And here's the book that no one likes to read.
Nope, nobody reads that junk.
Oh, wait. My phone's in earbuds. In different sizes to meet everyone's needs.
Sizes, yeah.
Size
Yeah, that's
matters.
like the theme of the day.
I know, it's all about sizes. You know, Samsung has a 10.1, 8.9, but you can see this, it's super thin. It's actually pretty nice. It fits well in the hands. I don't know, do you want to try it?
It is. I actually just... My head. I actually just played with it, and it has like a customized UI. Android feels very, very smooth, and I'm excited to play with it. Don't take off the plastic. Okay, you can take off the plastic if you want.
Sorry, yeah, always keep it black. Never mind.
Keep it under wraps, man.
Give you your first impression look, but anyway, it's 8.9. You see, it just fits very well in the hands. It's pretty nice, simple. Startup screen. Still starting up.
It reminds me of someone.
Scrap that, guys. Don't worry.
That's actually good.
Okay.
Don't want to be too quick.
True. Skip. Next.
You're taking time.
You skip
cool
all that.
stuff. This is the best part. Well, actually, I'm gonna take this come up. But I really like this feature. We have like another. It's not a task manager, but it's like another.
It's a quick app tray, pretty much. It's pretty nice, smooth.
Very, very sweet.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. That is the Galaxy Tab 8.9. And this is Thinnest.
Radiris,
Thank you, and always enjoy.